Hello everyone. Currently, the Great Lakes region is home to approximately 4,400 wild wolves, with most of them concentrated in the northern United States and southern Canada. This region provides the ideal habitat for wolves due to its dense forests, abundant prey such as deer and moose, and relatively low human population density. Wolves target this area because it offers both the resources they need to thrive and the space to roam freely. So, what challenges have wolves caused for people? And what measures has the government used to manage this growing population? Let's explore this issue together on our next journey, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. In the Great Lakes region, wolves have been responsible for killing hundreds of livestock annually. In Minnesota alone, wolves attacked various types of livestock, with cows and sheep being the most frequent targets. In 2023, a specific incident in Itasca County saw a pack of wolves kill 6 cows at a dairy farm overnight. Each cow cost between $1,500 and $2,500, bringing the total economic loss for the farmer to an estimated $9,000 to $15,000 in that attack alone. This marked the third wolf attack on the same farm that year, adding to the overall damage and placing a heavy financial burden on the family. Such repeated losses significantly impact local farmers. So how do American farmers protect their livestock and their economy from these predatory attacks? To deal with the threat posed by wolves, many American farmers have turned to electric fences as a protective measure. These fences are typically designed with multiple electrified wires reaching a height of around 6 to 8 feet to prevent wolves from jumping over. The electric shock acts as a strong deterrent, keeping wolves away from livestock. The advantages of this method include its relative affordability and effectiveness in reducing immediate threats. However, this solution is only temporary, as wolf activity in inhabited areas has increased by approximately 20% in recent years. With this rise, the number of wolf attacks on humans has also become more serious, resulting in an estimated 10-15 injuries annually. Seeing this urgent problem in the United States, Safari Club International is one of the leading organizations supporting the extermination and control of wolf populations. Safari Club International has been actively promoting wolf hunting using bows and arrows, a method that not only respects nature but also helps control the rising wolf population in the United States. This method of hunting attracts around 300 dedicated hunters annually, all committed to ensuring both the safety of people and livestock while maintaining a respectful balance with nature. By choosing bows and arrows, hunters uphold a traditional approach that minimizes noise and environmental disruption. The compound bow is the preferred weapon due to its precision, power, and ease of use, while carbon arrows, known for their durability and accuracy, are the standard choice among hunters. Each hunting group typically consists of 5 to 6 members, each responsible for specific tasks, ensuring that the hunt is efficient and well coordinated. During the hunt, trackers play a crucial role in locating wolves by identifying key signs such as paw prints, scat, and fur caught in foliage. Trackers also use modern equipment like GPS devices and binoculars to enhance their chances of locating prey in dense areas. Once the prey is identified, the tracker informs the main hunter, who carefully positions themselves to take the shot. Maintaining a safe distance is critical, as it ensures the shot has enough power to penetrate and strike the wolf accurately. Most hunters aim for the chest or lung area, which guarantees a quick, humane kill with minimal suffering. The choice of fixed-blade broadhead arrows further improves the chances of a successful shot, providing the necessary force to bring down a wolf efficiently. Once the wolf is downed, the assistant hunter steps in to verify the kill and assist in retrieving the animal. Each hunting trip typically results in the successful harvest of 1 or 2 wolves. These results are then reported to local wildlife management authorities, who track wolf populations and adjust conservation efforts accordingly. By ensuring hunters adhere to strict regulations and ethical practices, CI and wildlife authorities have made significant progress in reducing wolf attacks on livestock and humans. The ongoing participation of hunters in these organized wolf hunts plays a vital role in controlling the population and protecting both human communities and local economies. Reporting hunting results to wildlife authorities not only aids in population control, but also contributes valuable data for future conservation efforts. The combination of traditional hunting methods and modern tracking techniques has proven effective in managing the rising wolf population. But the question remains, do you believe this method is the best solution for dealing with wolf attacks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Australia's camel population has grown significantly over the past few decades, reaching up to 2,000 animals. This increase poses a unique set of challenges for managing their impact on the environment and native species. Camels compete with native animals, such as kangaroos, for food and water, leading to a decline in the numbers of these native species. The sharp increase in camel populations has led to significant environmental degradation. Camels destroy vegetation, pollute water sources, and compete with native species for resources. This has prompted the Australian government to implement strict regulations and policies to manage the camel population effectively. In 1988, the Australian government changed its camel population management policy, allowing for regulated hunting to control their numbers. Before this change, camels were considered national property and hunting was prohibited. The new policy permits licensed hunters to hunt camels using humane methods, with strict reporting requirements to ensure compliance and effectiveness. The use of helicopters and professional hunting teams has increased the efficiency of camel population control efforts. These teams can cover large areas quickly and effectively, ensuring that a significant number of camels are removed from the population. This method has helped reduce the camel population by an estimated 30, contributing to the protection of Australia's natural resources and native species. Hunting wolves with firearms requires specific licenses and adherence to state regulations, which vary by region. In Montana, hunters must obtain a wolf hunting license, costing around $19 for residents and $50 for non-residents, and follow designated hunting seasons and quotas. Firearm hunting can lead to a rapid reduction in wolf populations, providing immediate relief to affected areas. In 2021, hunters in Idaho reported taking over 500 wolves, significantly reducing the local population and subsequent livestock predation. The use of firearms poses safety risks to hunters and others. There is also public opposition due to ethical concerns about hunting. Overhunting can disrupt local ecosystems by removing top predators, potentially leading to overpopulation of prey species such as deer and elk. Determining the most appropriate control measures is essential to achieving this balance. Please share your insights and opinions on best practices for wolf management. Your comments are part of ecological conservation efforts with human and economic benefits. Is about 10,000. These majestic creatures are primarily found in states like Florida, Georgia, and Idaho, where they gather in significant numbers. Understanding the distribution and habits of these elephants is vital to creating an engaging and informative farm documentary that highlights their impact and interactions in these areas. Today, join us to delve into the formidable challenges posed by elephants and explore effective strategies for managing these giants. Don't forget to leave number 1 to share your excitement. In the United States, elephants have caused significant agricultural losses, amounting to an annual financial impact of $12 million USD. These majestic animals, while an incredible sight, pose a substantial threat to farming communities. Specific crops such as corn, wheat, and various fruits are particularly vulnerable to elephant incursions. The damage to crops not only disrupts local economies, but also threatens the livelihood of countless farmers who rely on these yields for their sustenance and income. The movement of elephants has led to significant traffic disruptions, causing severe traffic jams. These large animals can suddenly wander onto the road, causing traffic congestion. The presence of elephants on highways not only inconveniences motorists, but also causes serious safety concerns. For drivers, the sudden appearance of such large creatures can lead to accidents, threatening human life. At the same time, elephants themselves are at risk of injury or death from collisions with vehicles. These interactions highlight the urgent need for effective measures to manage elephant movements and ensure the safety of both operators and these majestic animals. Dealing with the increasing elephant population in the United States has led to the consideration of various measures, including the use of firearms. To regulate this, strict licensing requirements for using guns have been put in place. These requirements ensure that only qualified individuals who have undergone proper training and background checks are permitted to handle firearms for managing elephant-related issues. This measure aims to balance the need for immediate action and protecting human life and property with the responsibility of ensuring that firearms are used safely and ethically. The use of guns in managing the elephant population in the United States offers several advantages. Firstly, it provides a quick response to imminent threats, ensuring that any dangerous situations involving elephants can be swiftly neutralized. This rapid intervention is crucial in protecting human lives and reducing the risk of severe injury. The use of guns can potentially reduce immediate danger to both humans and property, as it allows for the immediate removal of an aggressive or dangerously close elephant. By addressing the threat promptly, guns help minimize the potential for accidents and property damage, contributing to the safety and security of affected communities.
Yeah.
However, using guns to manage elephant populations poses some significant disadvantages. There are strong ethical concerns and animal welfare issues associated with this method. Elephants are intelligent, social animals, and hunting raises ethical questions, often leading to public outcry and criticism from animal rights groups. Furthermore, in densely populated or agricultural areas, it can unintentionally harm wildlife, domestic pets, or even humans.
Too low, shoot again.
Additionally, reliance on guns can escalate conflicts, potentially leading to more aggressive elephant behavior and creating a cycle of violence that complicates long-term management efforts.
Hey, going here. Hey!
Thus, while guns may offer a quick solution to immediate threats, the broader implications suggest the need for more humane and sustainable approaches. How do you think we can balance the need for safety and humane treatment in managing elephant populations? Addressing these challenges requires balanced and humane solutions. While the use of guns for managing elephant populations offers immediate responses to threats, it raises ethical concerns and potential for unintended harm. Thus, it is crucial to develop strategies that not only mitigate the damage caused by elephants, but also ensure their welfare, promoting coexistence between humans and elephants in a sustainable manner. What are your thoughts on using guns to manage elephant populations? If you have ideas for more effective and humane methods to protect these magnificent creatures, please share them in the comments below. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness. Be sure to follow our channel for more engaging and informative content. Your insights and support are invaluable to us. The sound of gunshots echoing through the mountains of Florida State is an announcement that the wild monkey hunting season has arrived.
Nice shot.
These activities have attracted thousands of hunters to participate in order to protect their property and community. Because Florida is facing nearly 1 million wild monkeys that cause damage of up to 120 million US each year. So what methods have hunters here used to deal with this population? Let's explore with us to answer this question, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to update our latest information. In Florida, hunters often choose rifles to control the population of wild monkeys. These agile animals often live in forests, woodlands, hammocks, plateaus, and grasslands with scrub and pine forests. Rifles therefore provide hunters with good range and effective, humane shots. Hunters typically use high-powered, accurate, and reliable rifles such as DD-223, 200, 43, and D3 weight calibers. Along with that, quality scopes with good magnification and clear optics are essential for accurate aiming, especially in densely forested areas where visibility is and high-quality binoculars also help hunters spot monkeys from a distance, allowing them to plan their approach more effectively. Have you ever wondered what it takes to legally hunt wild monkeys in Florida? To hunt wild monkeys in Florida, all hunters must have a Wildlife Management Area WMA license administered by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. The license costs $47 annually for residents and $181.50 annually for non-residents, with a 10-day option available for $76.50. These licenses can be applied for through the official website of the FWC, where hunters can purchase, renew, and print their licenses. One advantage for hunters in Florida is that they can hunt wild monkeys year-round, as there are no specific seasonal restrictions. This continuous hunting opportunity creates favorable conditions for controlling the monkey population. So what time of day do you think is the most effective for hunting wild monkeys? Hunters often hunt in the early morning because wild monkeys are most active just after sunrise. This is the ideal time for feeding and moving, making it easier for hunters to detect and track them. When detecting prey, hunters must clearly identify their target to ensure it is indeed a wild monkey and not another animal or a non-target species. Ensuring there are no obstacles or dangers on the shooting path and that the surrounding scene is clear is crucial for safety. So have you ever wondered what it takes to ensure a successful and humane hunt when targeting elusive game like monkeys? Next, hunters find a stable shooting position, which can be standing, kneeling, or lying prone, using natural supports like tree branches or a shooting stick. Using the rifle scope, hunters can clearly and accurately observe the monkey. Aiming at critical areas such as the chest or head ensures a quick and humane kill. The hunter gently squeezes the trigger to maintain accuracy. After shooting, the hunter needs to observe the target's reaction. If the monkey runs away, the hunter must follow the blood trail to find it. When the monkey is found, hunters should carefully approach the fallen animal to ensure it is no longer alive and avoid any potential danger. If necessary, a follow-up shot should be administered to ensure a humane end. However, hunting monkeys with rifles in Florida has sparked heated debates in the community. Hunters may face opposition from animal rights activists and other members of the community. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. To tackle the challenge of wild monkey overpopulation in Florida, a combination of cage traps and sterilization methods has been widely deployed. Initially, hunters use large cage traps designed for monkeys to enter comfortably without injury. These traps typically have sturdy metal frames with mesh sides and spring-loaded doors that close when a monkey enters, activating the mechanism. In addition, hunters use bait such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other appealing foods to lure the monkeys into the traps. Bananas, apples, and other sweet-smelling fruits are particularly effective. The traps are often placed in areas frequented by monkeys, like near food sources or travel routes. Have you ever wondered how hunters manage to safely capture and relocate invasive monkey populations? Once the traps are set, hunters monitor them using tracking devices installed nearby to observe monkey activity and check if the traps have been triggered. When a trap captures around 715 monkeys, Hunters use gloves to handle and move the monkeys to smaller cages to avoid bites and disease transmission. The captured monkeys are then transported to a veterinary facility. At the facility, a highly qualified veterinarian performs sterilization procedures, either cutting the vas deferens or tying the fallopian tubes. To ensure humane treatment, the monkeys are anesthetized throughout the surgery, and their vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, are monitored. After the procedure, the monkeys are closely observed as they recover from anesthesia. Their vital signs and overall condition are checked regularly, and they are kept in recovery cages until fully conscious and stable. Following recovery, the monkeys are transported back to their original capture site or another designated release area. Released monkeys are often monitored to ensure they reintegrate into their group and continue to thrive. What are your thoughts on this approach? We'd love to hear your perspective, so please share your views in the comment section below